Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today I got Galaxy S20 Plus, and today I will show how to flash the latest ported ROM OneUI 6.1 and White 14 on the Galaxy S20 Plus. And this particular ROM can be flashed on the Galaxy S20, a Galaxy S20 Plus, and Galaxy S20 Ultra. But must we have Exynos chipset? This ROM is not for the Snapdragon devices. In case if you are interested to get the latest ported updated ROM of OneUI 6.1, and in case if you are interested to use the Galaxy AI features coming with the OneUI 6.21, then must watch this video. And in case if your set is had like a Exynos chipset, then try to flash the ROM. Definitely you will going to like this ROM, because mostly Galaxy AI features latest one are working with the ROM. Do not forget to like the video. If you are getting help by my videos, then I will appreciate. If you are not a subscriber yet, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Click or tap the bell icon, click or tap the select all. Thank you so much. So the link is provided in my video description. Just click the link and this Google Drive website will get open. About the ROM file, this is the ROM folder. Double click on it and then download the ExtremeROM OneUI 6.1 S20 4.5, which is the final release, which was uploaded on 22nd June 2024. Now this particular ROM will be flashed on the Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra. In case if you have Exynos chipset, this ROM is not for the Snapdragon devices. Download this ROM file, then go back and the most important thing, that open the bootloaders folder, and you have to check the model number of your mobile phone. Now in my case, I have Galaxy S20 Plus and model number that I have is G985F. So I will click on this package and I will download this package file. This package file contains all the latest stock firmware, modem file, TWRP file, VB meter file, etc. I will show the file size is around 84.5 MB. Now check your model number, then download according to the model number for your mobile phone. Here are the files that I have downloaded. Now, first of all, in case if you are not having Samsung USB driver installed on your Windows, must download it, then install it on the Windows. Otherwise, the mobile phone will not get detected by the Windows. Then download this particular 3.14.1 Odin. I will advise you, do not go for the lower version, right? This is the ROM file, the final version, and the package file. Extract the Odin 3.14.1 first, then open the extracted folder, double click the Odin, click OK on this pop-up window, and then Odin screen, click on AP, then go to your downloaded folder where I have downloaded all the files, and select the TWRP package file. So I will click on it and then I will click open. The Odin will load the file and it is ready to flash it. Now coming back towards the mobile phone screen, connect the mobile phone with the internet, and then check the mobile phone battery must be charged to maximum so the mobile phone can get the ROM easily. Save all the internal storage data. Must save the data, otherwise the data will get formatted. Then go to settings and then go to lock screen and turn off the lock screen by selecting the swipe. Then go back and definitely you will be having Samsung account, Google account. Go to manage account, sync your Google account once, and then must remove it to avoid any issues later. And do not forget to remove the Samsung account, otherwise the recovery will not get flash. Must remove the Samsung account before powering off the mobile phone, and then go back to main settings screen, go to about phone. This is my mobile phone, Galaxy S20 Plus G985F/DS. My mobile phone is having dual SIM, so both IMEIs are present over here. We'll tap the software information. So mobile phone must be having OneUI 5.1. Anyway, the latest package file, the TWRP package file, will automatically update the mobile phone to stock firmware on the mobile phone. It will get automatically updated after flashing the TWRP package file on the mobile phone. Now tap the build number for 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Developer mode has been turned on. We'll go back to my settings screen. Then we'll go to developer option. Now here the mobile phone must be connected with the Wi-Fi. So tap the developer option and definitely you will see OEM unlocking. So turn it on before proceeding. Tap enable so the OEM unlocking is turned on. We need to turn it on OEM unlocking to unlock the bootloader. Now go back and then power off the mobile phone. Now I would like to inform one important thing that after flashing the TWRP, connecting the mobile phone with the data cable, the ROM file is not getting copied on the internal storage. Insert the micro SD card, still it is not getting copied on the external storage of the micro SD cards. So I don't know what is the problem, but I will advise, and I finally flash the ROM with the help of the OTG. So if you have OTG like 4 GB or 8 GB, if you have a 8 GB, that will be good. So I have insert this OTG on my computer and I copied the ROM file in this OTG, USB OTG, and I will flash the ROM file from the with the help of this OTG. Like if you after flashing the TWRP, connect the mobile phone, if you see the internal storage and if the file is getting copied, then simply start the procedure by flashing the ROM file. And if you are having a trouble copying the file, because I was trying to copy the file while during connecting it with the TWRP, the file started copying to my internal storage, but at the end, when it was showing about 25 seconds remaining or 30 seconds remaining, it was taking a long time. When it is done, the file was showing on my mobile phone internal storage, but it was not showing on the internal storage that was showing on my computer screen. So I tried to start flashing, but I was getting error every time when I was trying to flash. So the problem is that the ROM file is not getting copied properly on the internal storage with the help of computer TWRP screen. Now in case if you are thinking that I will connect my mobile phone, booting it in the stock firmware, then I will copy the file and then I will try to flash the into WRP. No, because if you copied the ROM file with the stock firmware on the internal storage and after flashing the TWRP, the internal storage will get encrypted. For decrypting it, we have to format data, so the ROM file will get format also. Better to copy the file in this OTG, which will help you to flash everything smooth. So now starting the procedure, flashing the TWRP package file. Now we have to boot the mobile phone into ODIN mode. Now take a data cable and check the other side of the cable must be connected with computer. Mobile phone must be power off. Press and hold the volume up key, volume down key, and then connect the cable with the mobile phone. You will see a warning screen. Immediately release both keys. And on this warning screen, press and hold the volume up key to go to the unlocking mode. Here the screen appears unlock mode. We have to unlock the bootloader and the volume up key. Press volume up key for yes. Press the volume up key for once to unlock the bootloader, but remember, after pressing the volume up key, when mobile phone restart, immediately press and hold the volume up key, volume down key to boot the mobile phone into ODIN mode once again. If mobile phone started booting to stock firmware, then we have to repeat the procedure that I was in the stock firmware. Now press the volume up key once, the bootloader will get unlocked, and now press and hold the volume up key, volume down key. Again, the warning screen appears. So release both keys, then simply press the volume up key once again to boot the mobile phone into ODIN mode. Now this is the ODIN mode screen, and your ODIN mode screen is supposed to be like this. The KG state must be checking and the FRP lock must be off. The OEM lock must be off, and in a bracket you will see U, which means that the bootloader is already unlocked. So the mobile phone booted into Odin mode and connected already with the computer. Coming back towards the computer screen, Odin also detected the mobile phone. This is the sign. Now come to the options, untick the auto reboot, then go back to log, and then click start to start flashing the package file on the mobile phone. And when the audience shows pass succeeded one, then simply click reset, then click exit and go back to downloaded folder. Now the mobile phone is still booted into Odin mode. We have to boot the mobile phone into custom recovery. For booting the mobile phone from Odin mode to custom recovery, this is the procedure. Press and hold the volume up key, volume down key, and power key. When mobile phone gets restart, and release the volume down key first. When you see Samsung logo, release the power key. And after, when you see TWRP screen, then release the volume up key. Starting the procedure, press and hold the volume up key, volume down key, power key. Just wait. Releasing the volume down key when mobile phone restart, releasing the power key when you see the Samsung logo. Just wait here. I did not release the volume up key. Waiting. And when TWRP recovery screen appears, then release the volume up key. Now here the TWRP will do a few things, and it will then automatically boot into recovery once again. Just wait here. The mobile phone will get reboot twice. Just wait here. Well, I have copied the ROM file already in my USB OTG, so I am done from the computer. Recovery screen appears. Now disconnect the cable because I do not need the data cable anymore right now, and I will connect my OTG right. Inserting the USB into OTG cable and connecting it with the mobile phone first. Okay, things are going smooth so far. Now on the TWRP screen, after connecting the OTG with the mobile phone, tap wipe and tap format data, type YES. Now why I am doing it, right? Let me show it first. If I tap install, and if I go up and if I tap the data, I cannot see media folder. So the internal storage got encrypted. That's why we have to tap wipe, then tap format data, type YES and tap here. Done. Then go back to main screen, tap reboot and tap recovery. The OTG must be connected so it will detect. Okay, the recovery screen appears. Now tap settings and go to third menu and make the screen time out to maximum. First tap mount, then scroll down. Check USB OTG have a tick sign. No, then try to put a tick sign. Then go back to main screen. Tap wipe, then tap advanced wipe and select these partitions. Then I'm going to select now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me show. These are the partitions that we have to select before flashing the ROM file, right? And then the wipe to start wiping it. Done. Now go back to main screen and tap install and tap select storage. You can see, and I can see that my USB OTG is already showing it here. I will tap to select the USB OTG, then tap OK, and I can see the ROM file that I copied earlier on the USB OTG. Tap to select the ROM file, then swipe to start flashing it. Right now, the ROM started flashing on the mobile phone. It will take a little long time, so we have to wait here now. When it is done, then go back to main screen, tap reboot and tap system. Disconnect the OTG cable from the mobile phone. we are done from the OTG. Now the mobile phone will start booting to the OneUI 6.1 ROM, and first boot will take a little long time. First boot completed. Now complete the setup screen. Finally, things went very smoothly. I will go to settings and I will change the fonts. Now it's looking better. We'll go to about phone, and the product name is same, Galaxy S20 Plus, but the model name got changed because the ROM ported from the Galaxy S22, and both IMEIs present over here. We'll tap the software information. Now the mobile phone got updated from OneUI 5.1 to OneUI 6.1, from Android 12 to Android 14, and this is the build number. Well, I can enjoy using the Galaxy AI feature coming with the OneUI 6.21. I will bring another video to review this ROM, and then you can watch that video also, so to get know that how the 6.21 is working on the Galaxy S20 Plus that I have right now. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you got helped by this video. We'll see you in next video. Until then, goodbye.